Rainy season na naman, and isa sa mga perfect na food sa ganitong panahon ay ang ramen. We went to Yushuken sa Molito para itry ang shoyu ramen for 520 pesos and tantanmen for 550 pesos. Pao got the shoyu na may sobrang flavorful and smoky na broth, sobrang rich and such a comfort in a bowl. The meat is tender but we would like a softer noodle sana. This tantanmen I got has creamy, nutty flavor at may konting anghang which is pasok sa aking panlasa. I think mas ma-enjoy ko to if malambot din ang noodles. We got extra aji tamago for 80 pesos for extra flavor and texture. And we also added 5 pieces gyoza for 290 pesos na perfect ang pagkakamix ng seasonings, pork and vegetables. Overall, Yushuken was a good idea lalo na pag umuulan. The perfect comfort food to warm you up. Kayo, anong favorite nyong ramen pag tag-ulan? Comment nyo naman and don't forget to follow for more food trips.